in North India and I just want to have a hot noodle soup that is very comforting, full of nutrients and vegetables. We are making thukpa. So let's get started making it. So the first step to make the thukpa is to boil the noodles. So here I am taking noodles and I'll just put them in hot water to boil. We'll of course let the noodles soften and just mix it. So I will add around half a teaspoon of salt and I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil. So the noodles have cooked. We can even check. Yes, it's been cooked. Now we have to strain it, but we will not discard the soup water or the noodle water as we're going to use it in the thukpa soup. Yummy. So to make the soup, we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. And my kadhai or the pot is very hot. Now to that we will add an inch of ginger, as ginger keeps us really warm and comforting during winters. So we let that cook for just like 2 seconds. Now we will add onion. I have used 2 small onions. And like that. So now after the onions have slightly turned brown, I will add cabbage. Now I will also add the carrot. And we're gonna give it a nice mix. I can already smell the aroma coming from the ginger and the onion. It is so heavenly and comforting to me. And I just love ginger, as it is rich in many antioxidants. Also because of the cabbage and the carrot, it makes it very nutritious and healthy. Do try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. Now onto the recipe. We're going to keep mixing until the cabbage and the carrots have cooked with the onions. So just mix basically. And hey, don't forget to add the broccoli as it gives a really good taste. Just plop it into there and cover again. Now we will add the spices including salt. We will add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. I want to have more spice today. And 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And we're going to give it a nice mix. Look at that. Yummy. Also, we don't want the spices to burn, so we will add the noodle water in which we cook the noodles. Total, I've added 3 cups. And we're gonna give it a nice, comforting mix to the vegetables. Wow, it smells amazing. And now again we have to cover it. But before that, we will add spring onion. This is about 2 tablespoons of spring onion. And we're gonna give it a nice mix. So this is the soup and the noodles are ready. Now we're gonna combine them after 5 minutes. Wow, it smells so aromatic. I just wanna eat this, so I can't wait at all. So, but we still gotta wait. So first we'll add the noodles. A lot of noodles. Now we will add the soup on top. First the soup, then some of the vegetables also. It looks so divine, right? So that is, I'm thinking that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Wow, this is looking so nice. Now I'm going to eat this. So now I'll just try it. Look at that, stretchy noodles. It's really good because the ginger is there. It's so comforting and warm. I like it a lot. So that's why I'm gonna have another one.